What's going on, everybody? This is Ray with another EG hatch update. Just came from my boy's house. I should have recorded where I just came from because he also has a hatch. His is red, and oh man, he's done really good work to that hatch. It looks really nice. I'm mad I didn't take some video so I could have showed you guys, but I just went to his house. He just changed over his suspension, so he had some TEIN lowering springs, almost brand new. I mean, say brand new. So these are for the hatch. They should do well, and I'll keep you up to date on the stance and how she looks afterwards. But yeah, I got them at a bargain price. You can't beat them. You can't beat the price I got them for. So I had to pick them up. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. He said come get them, and I went to go get them. Also bought a pair of regular stock mirrors because the ones I have are kind of like flopping back and forth. He gave me everything for 40 bucks. Yeah, 40 bucks. So on that note, I'll keep you guys up to date. She's coming along nicely so far. What's going on, guys? I'm here in my neighborhood, in front of my building with the car, getting ready to do the suspension. I'm gonna put those TEIN springs on there, get it sitting right. Right now the lower control arm bolt is giving me an issue, as they always do. That's why I start the back first all the time. Sometimes you do the front is done, you go to the back, you get stuck, that bolt, you gotta put heat on it. Sometimes you end up breaking them out, drilling them out. It's a hassle. So on that note, let me get to work. And there goes my girlfriend going to work. Bye, baby. Right now I'm having a problem with the LCA bolt, lower control arm bolt. They always seize up. Car's old, sometimes hasn't been changed in a while. They get seized up. So I'm gonna have to try to torch it, put some heat on it. Hopefully I don't have to drill it out, do something crazy. Hopefully it's not that bad. But on that note, let me get to work, and I'll keep you guys updated. So I'm about to get it sitting right, and I'll see you guys in a few. So check this out. I had to show you guys. I put some WD. It's been sitting there for about maybe 15 minutes. Made my video and came back. Put my foot on it, and the driver's side rear LCA bolt is coming out like butter. Woohoo! That's one side. Alright, so what's going on, guys? So we did the one side already, back and front, driver's side. And like I said, as long as that bolt wasn't giving me an issue, then we'd have it done pretty quick. So we did it pretty quick. So we got one side done. We came around, started doing the other side, and like I said, we were gonna run into a problem. So this bolt right here on the control arm on the bottom of the shot, the head is already wrung out. So looks like I'm gonna have to take it to my boy's shop so he can just take it out for me. But we are gonna still install the third spring, which George is working on right now. And I mean, 3 out of 4 ain't bad. So hopefully we won't see that much of a difference till I take it to the shop tomorrow. But all in all, pretty successful. We've only been out here for about an hour and a half. Not bad. Alright, guys, so the third one is up. Everything's tightened up. God, I can't wait to change all the suspension. But the spring is in there. 3 out of 4. I'm a little beat. We're about to do the axles on my boy Jorge's Element. And I don't know if I'm going to record that. My battery's kind of low, but 3 out of 4. I'll let you know how it looks.